Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, 'tis time for a food review right here on Cedric Wins, new channel. Today we're going to review the popcorn chickens from KFC, Kentucky Fried Chickens, with the colonel on the box there. Look at him. Such a sexy man with his beard and his mustache and them glasses. A sexy, refined man. You can get any woman. Alright, popcorn chicken. Doesn't taste like popcorn. Doesn't really taste like chicken. Doesn't really taste too bad. It's not good. It's not like, yeah, must be some good chicken. But it's just okay. You're supposed to dip this shit in gravy, and they did not give me my motherfucking gravy. Because they're a bunch of idiots. I don't work at KFC. Not their car. Take popcorn chicken and gravy. Was popcorn chicken? Gravy? Yes. Put both of those things in the bag. Oh, popcorn chicken? Can you put the gravy? Gravy? Yeah, it's too hard. You know, to understand. Put the chicken and gravy in the bag. Two things in the bag. Too complicated. So they're losing points for being idiots. But popcorn chicken isn't too bad. It's basically like a McNugget there, just a rip-off. A McNugget that doesn't taste as good. It's popcorn, motherfucker. Popcorn. What the fuck is it? Popcorn. Has nothing to do with popcorn. Popcorn! So there you go, popcorn chicken. 3 out of 10. It's not that good. It's probably a piece of rooster testicle with a little bit of batter on it. Hey, popcorn! Yeah, you're eating testicles the whole time. Fuck popcorn chicken and everything it stands for. It's delicious. It's good. It's eatable. Alrighty, till next time. Peace!